pa-receive. Pa-open po nito. Pataas po, ma'am. Yay! Happy birthday! Hello, ma'am. Excuse me, kay Ma'am Crystalline Sprenger? Ha? Crystalline? Hello, ma'am. Good morning po. Meron po kami ipare-receive na flowers sa inyo. Opo. May nagpadala po ng flowers, medyo malaki. Hindi ko lang po kasi madala. Nasa may sasakyan. Pwede po bang sumama kayo sa akin? Tara po, dito po tayo. Nandun po ang parking. Hello, Ma'am Crystalline. Nandito na yung bulaklak na malaki na hindi ko talaga madala kanina. Pa-open na lang po, pa-receive. Pa-open po dito. Pataas po, ma'am.
Oh baby, I'm gonna love you forever, forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as old women sit and talk about old men. If you wonder how long I'll be faithful, I'll be happy to tell you again.
Yay! Happy birthday! Ito po ay galing sa inyong asawa ni Sir Benjamin Sprenger from USA! Happy birthday, ma'am! May padala po si Sir na money bouquet. Mayroon din po kayong handa at syempre meron kayong birthday cake. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Kaya po ang message ng inyong asawa sa inyo. Babe, wishing you a happiest birthday. Enjoy your day with your family and wishing you more birthdays to come and celebrate. Remember this song? Oh baby, I'm gonna love you forever and ever. Amen. You deserve this, babe. God bless you more. Mwah, mwah. Ma'am, ano pong message nyo sa inyong asawa na talagang nagpadala ng kanyang regalo at sorpresa sa inyo ngayong birthday mo?
Next, babe. Hindi mo makapagsalita. Thank you, baby. Alam niya na yun.
It's happening to me. I've already forgotten every woman but you. Oh darling, I'm gonna love you forever, forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as old women sit and talk about old men. If you wonder how long I'll be faithful, just listen to how this song ends. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, amen. I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, forever and ever, forever and ever, amen.